Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a demon skull. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step, and that's pretty much it. Let's get started. I'm going to change the paper this direction. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down here to the eyes. Well, one eye anyway. It's going to be the far side eye. So it's the eye socket. Out over here, down. Out over here, down over here, pull back. I'm gonna go over here to this eye socket now, the one that's closer to us. Pulling it up, down, in, currently in, up. Fill this in, gets an eye socket right. And I'm not going to fill in the whole thing, I'm just going to leave a little trim of it to make it look like there's depth into that eye. Go over here, finding the nose. Down over here, curve in, down. Filling in the nasal socket here, nasal cavity. Fill in a little bit more of that line. Out over here, in. Pulling down, around. Down over here, in. I'm gonna go over here around the, right here, find it, like, I'm gonna pull in that cheekbone right there, and on this side I'm gonna find the cheekbone on this side. Excuse me, I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep that well. Curving down here for the teeth. And I'm going to throw some sharp teeth in the middle that are smaller. And all they are triangles. That's all they are. Over here, find bottom of the jaw here. Pulling back up. Curve in. Curve back, curve back, pulling down, pulling, curving here, pulling down here. So those are the horns, right? Like the demon horns. That's kind of what we got going. Back here. The top of the head, gonna pull down, curve around underneath. Gonna go on this side, curve up. Gonna go over here on the bottom, curving underneath. Curving underneath here, up. And I'm going to go here on the tooth here. Tooth here. Tooth here. Tooth here. Tooth here. Tooth here. Just kind of like showing the teeth connect. Going to throw a little line here in the middle of the head. That's going to be for the brow. Over here, top of the brow. Top of the brow here. Line, 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 line. Curve, 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 curve. Line, line, line. Same thing here. And I'm going to kind of draw a line along here, and it's gonna be like a core shadow. That's really what it's gonna show. But what it is it's basically like line showing some shadow on the horn itself. Line here, line here, line up. Line over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Just kind of throwing in some more of those lines. And the reason I like throwing in these lines, because it gives it more detail. As long as they're thinner lines, it tends to give it a little more. See, like these really thin lines tend to give it more like detail, so they don't take away from the major lines like this. Obviously, like this major dark area. But that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. I want to thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you want to see what I have to do through the whole year. Also, share the video if you can. It helps the channel out. This is a seasonal channel, so obviously we're going to be really slow over the season, but trying not to make it that way. I really like monster design. I like scary drawings and stuff like that. I want to keep that up the whole year, so I'm going to do it once a day. All right? Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and reach out to me, by the way. I'm very easy to talk to. Also, check out the community page if you're subscribed. Check out the community page. I'm going to post some free programs you can check out. All right, later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour, as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.